Trading is a jungle that is wild and unpredictable. This wilderness can be a test of wit, will, and wisdom. Every trader understands the financial world's challenges. Financial trading demands understanding global trends and making informed decisions. E2T stands out by offering tailored solutions and becoming a trusted guide in the financial markets. Our journey is marked by significant milestones. Founded in 2016 by CEO Bradley Goldberg, a former superstar footballer, expanded our footprint all across Europe and became one of the leading providers of financial trading VTCT courses, along with our incredibly rewarding trading products and services. Our reputation has soared in 2023, and now we are expanding to become a global market leader. One of our standout features is our commitment to top-tier education. We provide a comprehensive learning experience, and our financial trading mentoring is second to none. A complete, tailored experience for traders of all levels. The highlight, our VTCT Level 5 diploma, provides an in-depth understanding of financial trading, opening pathways to funded accounts, roles in investment banking, and overseas employment opportunities.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining on time. We are yet again meeting for a big event which is going to announced at the end of this meeting. Make sure that you guys make a note of all the updates which we are going to provide, because excuse me, because this is going to be an amazing event for all the people who have joined as a trader to prove your skill and perform in a global stage, because we are going to launch E2T World Cup, which has been designed and developed from the Egypt trip last week, which we went. And apart from World Cup and apart from traders, those who are completely, let me just pick this call. Sorry, we'll wait for a couple of minutes as well so that everyone can join. Before that, how long have you been trading in the market? Could you please all comment down how many years of experience you guys have got in the trading industry? As usual, message. Hello everyone. Hi Vilas. Hi Swapnil. We have 4 years. Okay, all right. 4+ years. Jubair. Learning. Okay. It seems to be, similar question, but I would like to understand what is the year of experience we have got combined together, because we are going to approach 1 year in trading industry, 3 year in market, and 6 months in Forex. Swapnil, that's great. Pavan Kumar, 3 years in industry. Anyone who is not a trader, who was just an affiliate or a networker or a community member who have joined the on this call, please do let me know as well, because I'm going to explain an exclusive opportunity for you to bring as much as good traders on board. And I hope you might have already seen our presentation, so I won't take much time of yours. I'll try to explain as quick as possible about the E2T World Cup, and then we will take things forward from there. Sharu, we have 3 years. Pavan Kumar, 3 years. Anyone else without any trading experience, just joined out of curiosity for this particular meeting? Yes, no. All right. So let me share the presentation and then we can take forward from there. So those who are joining for first time to this presentation, it might be a repetition in the initial slides. So you might know that we do have instant funding and the global employment opportunities. What are we going to cover? Which we have already discussed in the previous meetings, but I'll just take a quick note on instant capital, which is a 90% payout, global employment program, and the opportunity. Milestone payouts. What is the milestone payout? Which is the unique thing, which you won't be able to hear it from any of the prop firm industries. Affiliate opportunities for people who are hungry enough to bring and educate as much as trade as possible. Two-step challenges for those who want to have a low entry barrier. We do have two-step challenges instead of instant capital, and this is the highlight. E2T World Cup competition, how you can get benefited as a trader, affiliate, and investor in terms of uh, happening this E2T World Cup, right? You might have already gone through our company founder. When it comes to E2T, this is Mark Goldberg, a tycoon businessman who have been running multiple football clubs in London. Those who doesn't know, myself handling the chief sales officer as well as for the trader, financial analyst. You can call me with different tags as well, right? We do have opportunities provided across different countries right now, scaling up multiple opportunities starting from an instant capital all the way from $1,000 account to 100K in capital. People can prove their skill and get investors recognition and go with the global employment opportunity as well, right? The best beauty about the instant funded accounts with E2T is none other than each phases you have an opportunity to scale up from. If you are on a 1K plan, you can scale up from 1K plan to 2.5K plan without even paying a single penny. If you're on a 2.5K plan, you can scale up from a 5K plan without even spending a single penny. Once you hit your target, you can even request for the payouts, plus you get a free scale up to the next stage. That's the unique thing which you won't even find this opportunity anywhere. The direct instant funding opportunities, you don't have any evaluation phases until and unless you want to proceed further with two-step evaluation phases. So the first stage which all of you have to do is register yourself to the platform, explore yourself. Here I would like to share the link. If somebody doesn't have the platform, then I would like to share the link of E2T platform. Make sure that you guys use the 50K free trial and explore the platform as much as possible. And then once you get hands-on experience, then you can proceed further with your instant capital, right? You can select the funding stages. You can even start with 100K capital directly, or if you are completely a beginner, if you need some practices, then you can start with $1,000 instant capital. Third one, get instantly funded. Fourth one, start trading, prove your skill, and along the way, you will have your milestones wherein once you reach your 5% of your targets, you can request for a milestone payout. You can access from your 90% payout pool, access a certain amount, which I'll be taking you through explaining the details as well, right? Once you reach a 7.5% mark, you can again request for a milestone payout. And once you reach the 10% mark, you can request for the remaining balance, which I have already posted in our mini CEO communities. Those people who need a clarity on the milestone payout, please make sure that you guys go through the PDF document and the FAQ, which is provided already, right? So quickly going through the next slide, as I mentioned, the scale up is one of the opportunities which you can even, eighth wonder of the world, compounding, right? As you know, once you start compounding your accounts, you can build your account from all the way from $1,000 to just passing 12 stages, you will be managing seven-figure account. That's the goal you should be keeping if somebody right now who wants to start with an E2T prop. Okay, or anyone who's referring E2TProp, make sure that you are explaining to the traders this is not somewhere where you're trying to hit your profits, trying to reach out the payout percentage as soon as possible. This is something which you have to keep it consistent, which you have to keep it with respect to managing your own capital, as if you have gotten 100K, right? This is how you should be approaching. This is how you should be sharing with any of your fellow traders as well, right? That's what I do, because make sure when somebody is, you know, raising a payout request, what I've seen myself along with sitting with risk managers, these are all the people who have requested payouts not because they are great traders, just because they are great in managing their risk. Let it be using any kind of strategy. Let them use I think one of our, great trader who have already joined in this meeting, Dennis, uses the turtle soup strategy. Other people uses smart money concept, SMC, ICT, opening range breakout, or even using moving averages, or using RSI or Bollinger Band, whatever the strategy you are using, make sure that you go through the previous video which I have posted. I don't want to take much of your time explaining the risk management strategies, and make sure you guys stick to the plan, because when I'm explaining the E2TProp World Cup, I want to make sure that this group, a small number of 28 people join right now, because yesterday when we were there at the launch at 6 p.m., we had one of our co-partner launched, and I can see more than 500 people attended on that meeting, and everyone is smashing it. But I know this is a closed community where we are building something, and where we are trying to achieve success with respect to the markets, and sharing each and everyone's responses in the closed community what we have. So make sure each and every one of you put your right time and effort, because this is the time which we are going to knock it down, and this is the time we are going to say that, okay, we are getting into the E2T World Cup, and being on the top of the leaderboard, being on the achievement list, being on recognizing on the stages as well. Because last time when I went, I was literally sad. Even most of the people were getting recognized for their hard work and efforts. I couldn't see, or I couldn't bring much of our community members on the stage at that point in time. But next time when we do an event in Dubai, I don't want anyone in this community, in this meeting join, who is missing out on the next event, having a recognition for the top trader, having a recognition for the top affiliate, having a recognition for building and nurturing your own community, right? So that's the personal note I would like to explain regarding the platform. You can have a uh, you know go through the 50K free trial and explore as much as possible orders, place the orders, limit orders. You can place even multiple orders. You can even place all kind of markets. You can trade with crypto, you can trade with commodities, you can trade with currencies, you can trade with indices, you can trade end to end, 24 into 7 round the clock. You can trade on E2T prop. And you might have also seen that there is a signal services which is provided by the platform. So if anyone is completely new, please make sure that in order to use the platform, don't use it for proving your skills or strategies. Use it for exploring the platform. You can use these kind of signals and explore the platform as well, right? As I said, you can trade all these assets. And what are the rules we have? Simple rules, starting from you have to manage your risk within 2 to 3%. Anyone starting from $1,000 account would be 3%. Anyone starting from a 2.5K account would be 2.5 per, yeah, 3% and a 2.5%. Anyone starting from a 5K to 10K would be starting from a 2% drawdown. I want all of you to think from a drawdown perspective, considering the fact that even if you risk quarter of a percentage on every single day, which is a 0.25 percentage of your capital. Let's say if you're trading on a 10K capital, you would be using a $25 risk for any particular trade which is taken on E2T prop, and then targeting for a 1:2 or a 1:3. Even I have run a sample of 1:8 trades on E2T prop with risking only $25. This is doable. If anyone could do it, obviously we have seen a lot of people taking payouts, but at the same time you can also be the next one who is winning the flag and making sure that you are representing your country, right? What you have to achieve is minimum you should be trading at least 7 days on the platform, and 5% is the overall maximum drawdown you have. When I say if you risk a quarter of percentage on any given trade, what happens? Let's say if you are a trader who is planning for two trades on a London opening, two trades on a New York opening, then what happens? Even if you lose all four trades in a particular day, you won't be losing more than a percentage. You can still start trading for the next day. Still, you will be having a 4 more percentage drawdown with your hand, right? I'm seeing a couple of chats. I'll come back to all of your questions at the end of the session, right? What is the global employment plan? On the global employment plan, we had 3 stages wherein people are trying to prove, apart from UK, anyone who want to try apart from UK, what you can do, you can start with a $10,000 capital. All these stages were as simple. You have to hit the 5%, sorry, 10% profit limit on each stages like 10K, 20K, 30, 40, and 50. Once you are able to hit 5 stages, you will be provided an opportunity to work with us directly coming to our trading floor as well. So this is a great opportunity for people who are not in UK, because people who are in the UK, we do provide them a VTCT certified program, and they do have only 2 stages for them to pass, right? So with respect to the global employment opportunity, those who are trying a global employment opportunity, I have 2 people joined on this meeting. If you are from India, if you are from any part of the world, I'll ask my team members to reach out to you if anyone is interested right after this meeting. You can also reach out to me. I'll redirect you with all the details about the global employment program. So, keeping on a simple note, you have to start a $10,000 capital. And in order to start with a $10,000 capital, you should be, investing less than $150 for the somebody is using the note. Okay, thank you. So you should be starting with a $10,000 capital, and you have to hit a 10% target. You will have milestone payout like 5%, 7.5, 10. You can request for the payout. At the same time, you will be given a free scale up to 20K. From 20K to 30, each stages you can request for the payout. At the same time, you can consider this as a proving your skill in front of the investors and the management to get a full-time career with E2TProp. What are the supports we provide? You might have seen a couple of live sessions we do post on the YouTube, couple of morning missives and EU sessions. Basically, Chris does this, and Chris does open EU open session weekly thrice. Let's say you will have morning meetings from 7:50 a.m. BST GMT. So make sure that if you are in India, you are looking at the community at 12:20 p.m. It would be changing to 1:20 after October 31st, right? So make sure that you follow the London opening sessions, New York opening sessions, and you will have trading psychology sessions from Enzo, live trading sessions on Tuesday and Thursday from Enzo. I'll be doing live trading sessions on Wednesdays. Some of our community members want to do a session on today evening. Just now I've got the call, and today evening 6 p.m. from South Africa, one of our pro trader in E2T as well as a leader in the affiliate network system. She want to do a separate Zoom meeting for them, particularly managing South African team. So if anyone would be interested in representing your country, please do reach out to me. I'll be able to guide you with respect to how we can proceed it further and work together in order to bring this opportunity for much more traders ahead, right? And we do have affiliate opportunity. I don't want all of you to do, share the opportunity just simply providing E2T platform because it's a great platform. I want you to have an earning mindset because we are in the financial industry, and I want you to share your own affiliate links to each and everyone. Make sure that you guys have your own registered affiliate links. If anyone doesn't have the registered affiliate link, I'm just going to post in a link right now. on our chat box so that you can copy this and make sure that you guys can have your own affiliate link. What does this mean? If anyone signs through your affiliate link, you will get a 15% commission on the first time purchases, and you will get a 10% commissions on the recurring purchases. If anyone is, have, let's assume somebody have purchased an account today on a 10,000 account, and he has already got the payout and he is moving on with 20, 30, and 40. At some point, if he loses, or if he or she loses, they can start back either with a $10,000, or at that point in time, they can even start with 100K in capital. When they do the second purchase, you will still get a 10% commission on your dashboard. What is the third important factor? I want all of the affiliates joined on this meeting today to bring as much as good traders possible, because when you bring as much as good traders, let me take you through the to the press, the opportunity for the affiliates and traders on the milestone payouts. Okay, this is how the structure looks like. Let's say, for example, if you are referring for somebody for a 1K plan, or a 2.5K, or a 5K, or a 10K, when they start with a set a fee on a 10K account, they'll pay the $150 and you will still receive a $22.5. When they reach a 5% target, I want all of you to focus on bringing as good as possible traders, because when the trader reach 5% of their target, the traders get paid. You can see that 7.5%, 5%, the trader gets $50. At the same time, the affiliates also get rewarded with a $7.5. Let's assume you have bought 100 good traders on a 100K account, and your recurring revenue would be $75 into 100, which is going to be $7,500 without doing anything. What the great thing you have done, you have bought a great traders into the E2T ecosystem, right? So let's assume if somebody is hitting 7.5%, they will be able to request for the payout of $100, but at the same time, as an affiliate, you will be also able to request for a payout of, let's say, $112 with respect to 100K, $11.25 with respect to 10K account. And when they reach 10% mark, you will still receive a payout. At the same time, traders will be able to request for the remaining $750 on a $900, which means I'm not confusing. I'm making it as simple as possible. When the trader is growing with us as an affiliate, you will be also grow with us. So now I'm able to cover with what is in it for you if you are a trader, what is in it for you if you are an affiliate, what is in it for you if you are a trader and an affiliate, right? So this is what I would like to highlight on this particular point. And let's move ahead with the biggest announcement. You might know what is the packages, pricing, and everything. You'll be able to see it on your dashboard and your website. At end of this presentation, I'll be able to happily provide a discount code for anyone who wants to start. So before we proceed further with E2T World Cup, I would like to understand if you have any questions. Anyone has joined newly to this meeting, anyone has any questions, doubts, please feel free to unmute yourself and ask any questions. I have another 7 more minutes for all of your questions, so that we can move ahead with the agenda for this meeting, E2T World Cup. If you haven't got any questions, please type down E2T World Cup or just World Cup, so that we can start with the next session, next segment of the session. Share it on the community group. Sure, I'll share this on the community so that you'll be able to go through right after this meeting. Okay, ready for the World Cup?
Yeah, sir, I'm new to this platform.
Okay.
I'm new to Forex
What's your good
also.
name?
Uh, I like to know any educational part, like training or any kind of a thing for the person new to Forex.
Okay, what's your good name, brother?
Karthik.
Karthik. How long have you been trading the markets, Karthik?
3 years in Indian market. I don't know anything about Forex.
Okay. Which part of India you're from?
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Okay, great. So, Karthik, what you can do if you are completely a beginner, we will be able to provide you once you purchase the global employment plan, we will be able to provide you the basic modules. It's a recorded sessions.
Okay.
We'll be able to give you an access to that recording sessions. And we do have some premium content starting from small packages. If you want to get into one-on-one programs or get into a professional certifications right after this call, let us connect each other. You'll be able to find my number, then we can connect each other and discuss further how you want to take it further, right?
Okay. Okay.
Thank you so much, Karthik. Any other
Thank you.
questions?
No, that's all.
Others? Pavan, can I get the recording of today's meeting? Yes, Pavan, right after this meeting, I'll be able to share the recording and the minutes of meeting because, right now the AI is advanced. I have switched on the AI companion, I guess. I'll be able to get the recordings at the same time. I'll be able to get all of this minutes of meeting, whatever we have discussed on this meeting. I'll be able to share it as a folder in our community. So those people who have missed this session, I'll be able to share it on our community. Don't worry about it. Yes, Derek, I'll be able to share this PDF as well on the community so that you can go through it later. All good? Can we start with the World Cup? Yes, no. Before we start, may I know which country you guys are from? India, okay. India, okay. India, India. All right. I can see Samuel, India, Hyderabad. I can see anyone apart from India because I don't want to hurt your feelings at the same time. But if it is, who's that? Okay, thank you. Mohammed from Nigeria. Okay, all right. So since we have started, just a little bit of, personal story. Since I have started supporting the Indian community, put the community name as Educated Trade India, we'll be calling for all the entrepreneur mindset people in our community for another meeting. We are building something unique for each and every one of you. I have taken a couple of polls from the community, understanding whether you guys are interested or not. We'll be building something unique for each and everyone out there. For someone who just want to explore, like Karthik was asking, like, what is in it for me? If I'm completely beginner, we'll be able to provide them a free material to learn with respect to the UK standards, learning materials. We have even people from UK. We'll be able to rebrand our Educate to Trade India community to the global world because now it's not, we are not just not representing India anymore, we are representing the entire world. So I would like to highlight the fact that we have so many people who have joined apart from different communities as well. So we'll be doing that in couple of days in time. Make sure you guys are joining to that Zoom meeting as well, because that is going to be a brainstorming session where we are going to discuss what are we going to do together. Okay, so the final thing. Okay, so most of the people are from India, and we do have from Nigeria, UK, and these are the other countries as well. So people who have already know how we are going to do the E2T World Cup, you should be having a minimum asset under managed from each country. If you are representing UK, if you are representing Nigeria, if you are representing, so don't worry that there is a percentage we can see. This is just a sample where you can see once you hit the 100K AEM, then 1 million AEM, 1 million is, you can split it down. When you say 1 million AEM, it's just 10 people buying 100K accounts, you are sorted with the 1 million AEM. Or 100 people buying 10K accounts, you are sorted with 1 million AEM, which means you are qualified. And imagine this is going to be there for only 16 countries for this time. So this has already started from yesterday. So those who have purchased an account with E2TProp, and the value of the purchase will be considered, and the value of the account what they have purchased will be considered as their asset under management. Let's assume we have how many people we have? Around 30 people we have right now. Out of 30 people, if we are purchasing, let's assume 100K accounts, then we are going to manage together as $3 million AEM, right? So once each country hits their 1 million AEM, then that country will be qualified. This dashboard will be published on our website. So whichever the country you are representing, once your country is going to hit 1 million AEM, you will be qualified for the E2T World Cup. Whatever we have discussed, which is there for you, the milestone payouts, the affiliate opportunities, the payouts on a 10 percentage, scale up on each plan, everything remains same. On top of that, you will be representing your country on E2T platform, right? Let's assume once we have 16 countries qualified or within certain limits. So we have 6 weeks time from yesterday. We are already late. It's already started from yesterday. From yesterday, whoever have got their new accounts on E2TProp will be considered into our AEM. So if we are representing India, most of the people, as you have mentioned, you will have your own representation to yourself. At the same time, you will be representing your own country as well, right? So you will have 6 weeks of qualifier. It's not 2 months. You will have a 6 weeks of qualifier. Once each country hits 6 weeks and with 1 million in AUM, then the ranking will be based on who's going to be the top, who's hitting the 1 million AUM. Based on that, you will have a knockout pool. As you already know that most of our founders, not most, all of them are football aspirants and football players. So this is a knockout 16 into 8 into 4 into 2 into 2. So this is a knockout tournament where each country ranking here will be automatically battling each other with respect to their representing their countries. At this point, which country is dominating with respect to managing that 1 million AEM, and what is the percentage they are going to achieve each other? Let's assume we have this UK, and what is this country? I think, what is the second one? Sorry. For easy understanding, let's take India, Pak. Okay. Or Brazil and Pakistan here, right? So let's assume Brazil and Pakistan is playing each other, but at the same time, they both have 1 million in their, each country representing, and combined together, if Brazil has around 52% ROI, let's assume uh, on a weekly basis, let's take 5.2% ROI, and Pakistan has got 6.25% ROI, then Pakistan will be qualified for the following round. So this competition is going to start once each and every active accounts are going to be there in 6 weeks. So what is the best thing? Each round has a fixed length, which means it will be time based. Everyone will be trading together on every week. We will be distributing them based on your sign up and which country you want to represent. If you are still in UK and you want to represent your home country, yes, you can do that. But if you want to represent a different country, obviously people won't be doing it. But if you want to do that, you have to register as how you want to represent your country as well. Then once the knockout tournament is started, each country percentages will be calculated based on their trading performance plus based on their AUM under management. Let's say if a country one has 50% ROI and the country 2 has same 50% ROI, in that instance we will be giving priority for the country 1 who have got, let's assume, 2 million asset under management, and the country 1 has got only 1 million asset under management. So you can purchase as much as accounts you want to support your country, and you can be on the leaderboard, because when you purchase as much as possible accounts, you will have multiple trading accounts where to prove your skill as well. So the percentages will be calculated at this stage on a country basis. Then I think moving on with the next stage, I would like to understand if you have any questions or doubts with respect to explaining the E2TProp World Cup so far. Then we will move ahead with, what are the prices which we are going to do. Any questions, any doubts? Derek, I'll come back to you, or if you have any question with respect to the World Cup, please go ahead. All good? All right. Let's start with the affiliate, because they are the ones who are going to bring the most traders on boarded. So the top affiliate who is winning, let's assume we have completed with respect to the World Cup and we have got the final, country who have won the cup. And from that country, who's the top affiliate who bought most traders together? He or she will be awarded with a $2,000 cash award, so that they can be benefited apart from all the recurring revenues and the percentages, whatever we have discussed. So who is ready to take this $2,000 in your pocket? Please make a note to yourself. Don't comment anything. Plus, please make a note if you guys want to grab this $2,000 opportunity. Okay. I'll come back to the third one, the third prize of the winning country trader. Here it is going to be, let's assume we have a lot of Indian traders. Let's assume India is on the final and India won the cup, and we want to take it for further with that as well. Today being, Gandhi Jayanti. So let's say if India won the cup and the top three traders, the third trader will be awarded with $1,000 cash prize plus all the payouts he or she have already requested. The second prize is going to be, before explaining that, what is the latest, you know, phone which iPhone has launched? What is the name called? Could you please help me with that? What is the new model? Is that 15 Pro Max or 16 Pro Max? What is that? It's iPhone 17. How many of you are holding iPhone 17 or would like to buy within few weeks of time? You are going to get the second prize as iPhone 17 Pro Max plus a $500 cash prize for you to enjoy and being on the top traders list, right? So this is going to be the second prize for the people who are winning from the country and who are there on the leaderboard on the winning country, right? The third one is going to be the first prize. Anyways, I'm not, taking it as big time, but how many are here with a driving license? Can I see your comments? How many of you know how to drive a car? Yes, no. Okay. Vilas, okay. All right. Derek, yes. Samson, yes. Okay, only 4 people. I have. All right. So the first person who's going to get a car from the top country which you are going to represent. So these are all the prices which we have arranged for this tournament. There is something big is going to come once we have the qualifier is set. And until now, make sure that you guys prepare yourself. If you have any questions, any doubts, any clarifications, please feel free to reach out to our community members. We have our team members here, Saneet, Sarika, Siddharth, around this Zoom meeting. They'll be able to help you with respect to each and every questions you have. They'll be able to help you with respect to any processes required, anyone who want to set up your affiliate link so that you can share this opportunity for a lot of other traders as well. And how many of you are ready to lift the first, second, and third prizes on E2T Platform World Cup? Is there anyone? Okay. All right. I can see 2 people want to lift the cup. Only 2. Karthik, all right. 3. That's it. Gaurav, 4. Okay. Gaurav, could you please explain, how was your experience with respect to the payout when you have got? How was your journey and what was the strategies you use? Because you are one of the member who got the payouts as well, right? Gaurav, could you please unmute yourself and pour some 2 words for other members as well?
Yes, actually, the process was really smooth while getting the payout, and the overall experience with the E2T platform was it's I'm used to it now, but the dashboard and the interface is quite good, and I feel that it's getting better day by day.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We are here to support and bring as much as better things possible for each and every traders out here, because once we have begun, an year back, we didn't had anything what we have started. The all the things whatever we have built, we have taken feedback from each and every trader. We have conducted multiple polls, we have arranged multiple Zoom meetings, we have conducted multiple scenarios, and there is something new which is going to launch in 2026, which is we are going to come up with MT5 platform or MT4 MT5 platform. So that is going to be the next big news. I'll be able to give you the exact date. wait and see for 2026. But before that, I want each and every one of you to lift the cup along with the biggest prizes available. We'll be also coming up with other lot of opportunities for you guys. Stay tuned and wishing you nothing less than success ahead. Thank you so much for joining this meeting and spending, roughly around 1 hour today. And I hope you guys have got a valuable session from me today. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Yes, Derek, go on.
Thank you so much, Coach. I really have enjoyed your presentation for us this afternoon.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you. Thank you. Yeah, go on.
For the live of yesterday. I was part of that TikTok live.
Oh, is it?
Um,
Okay, okay. All
My
right.
name is Derek. Derek, I
You were
am
there
based in
from
Bangkok.
yesterday, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, okay. How was the gold trade?
It's good. It's good.
I hope
It's
you
good.
gained some
We are
value.
making money. E2T is amazing. So I happen to have gotten a challenge. I've been promoting the funded accounts
Okay,
for quite some time.
okay.
And I happen to have gotten two recruitments. One is from Florida and one is from Nigeria.
Okay.
So one of my leaders in Nigeria so happened to have gotten a client's money. Instead of activating the money in his account, in the client's account, he actually used the money to activate the funded account in his own personal account as the leader.
Okay,
You know.
okay.
So we happened to have requested to block his account and see how we can get the refund made to the client. But we haven't yet successfully maneuvered it because, of course, of the Egypt trip and
Yeah.
having to come back and settle in. So I kindly wanted to ask if I could, connect with you on a one-on-one and see if you can assist to,
No problem. That's completely fine. What I want you to do is please drop an email to payment@E2TProp. I will also discuss with our, finance and risk management team, and then I'll get back to you. You have my number anyways. So
Yeah.
I'll text you right after once you drop an email to the payment@E2TProp.com.
Thank you so much, Coach. Thank you so much.
Yeah. All right. All right.
And lastly, Coach,
Go
I
on.
want to ask, do we have E2T services in the US? I happen to be, I hope to fly out in November, and my interest is to start up a network of, funded account users in the US beginning this year, November. So I wanted to find out whether we have, provision for the US, and if there isn't,
At
would
the
you be
moment,
willing?
we do not have in the US.
Yeah.
I'll check with the team when we can get the next update, and then I'll be able to come back to you on that as well.
Okay, Coach. Okay,
Yeah.
Coach.
Because
Thank you so much.
since we are traveling on November, I'll be able to come back, but I'm not sure about the US, compliances. But at the moment, we don't have US.
Okay, so the other thing I wanted to ask is in regards to the copy trading. Am I allowed to ask that from here?
Yeah, yeah. Please go on. Let's do one thing. Let's connect over a call. I think you have my
Okay.
number, right? So because I'm sharing this recording with everyone. So I don't want to get into personalized your request.
Correct.
I don't want you to share your personal things on this meeting. So 7023029278. This is my WhatsApp number. Drop me a text. We will take it forward from there.
Okay.
All right. All right. All right, everyone. Thank you so much once again.